Namaste dosto. Welcome back to the blog. Today I am taking you on a breathtaking journey to one of the most scenic high altitude alpine lakes in Himachal Pradesh, and that is Bhrigu Lake. Our journey began in Manali, the gateway of many Himalayan adventures. Manali is well connected by road from Delhi and Chandigarh. After arriving, we took some time to acclimatize, explored the local markets, and rested for a big trek ahead. We booked our Bhrigu Lake trek through an agency called Searching Soul, and they truly made the journey seamless and soulful. Our adventure began with Searching Soul guides, who not only led the way but added meaning to every step. The next morning, a short briefing was done by our guide.
पड़ेगी तो ही आपका होगा, है ना। उसके बाद आता है आपका ट्रैक पैंट। 2 ट्रैक पैंट अपने पास रख लेनी है, जो कि थोड़ा सा स्नो प्रूफ। एक चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखेंगे कि आपको जीन्स में ट्रैक नहीं करना है। क्या होता है, आप पहाड़ में जा रहे हो, बड़े स्टेप बने हुए हैं, जीन्स में स्टेप नहीं खुलते हैं।
And the very morning, our trek started. We drove from Manali to Gulaba, which is the base point for the Bhrigu Lake trek. It's about 20 kilometers from Manali and offers stunning views of the Beas River and snow-covered peaks. The trek began from Gulaba at around 9,500 feet. The trail gradually ascends through lush green meadows, dense oak and cedar forests, and occasional shepherd huts. We camped at Rolakholi, the first campsite, at around 12,500 feet. On the way to Rolakholi, we rested under the tree, had our lunch, and again continued with our trekking. Bhrigu Lake is not only a visual delight but also deeply spiritual, believed to be the meditation spot of sage Bhrigu from ancient Hindu scriptures. The trek from Gulaba to Rolakholi typically takes around 3 to 4 hours depending on fitness level, weather conditions, and pace of the group. The total distance is of 6 kilometers. After passing through the meadows and patches of forest and some steep sections towards the end, we reached Rolakholi after 4 hours. We started by 9:30 am from Gulaba to reach Rolakholi by early afternoon and settle in before evening winds pick up. And don't forget to carry enough layers as the nights are chilly here. We were simply mesmerized with the beauty of this place. The Bhrigu Lake trek with the Searching Souls agency from Manali is priced at 5,200 with a promotional offer of Rs 4,200. The package includes accommodations, 1 night in Manali, 2 nights on the trek, meals, transportation, permits, camping gears, and a guide. The third day was most exciting and challenging. We started early to reach the lake before the clouds sets in. The climb is steep, especially as we gain altitude quickly. The landscape changes dramatically, from green meadows to snow patches and rocky terrain. And then suddenly, the Brigu Lake. The lake appears like a mirrored jewel surrounded by snowy ridges. Depending on the season, it might be partially frozen. It's believed that even in peak winters, it never completely freezes due to its spiritual significance. We did face some challenges while trekking the steep slopes, especially as the altitude increased. The path got tougher, our pace slowed, and every step felt heavier. But the views and the quiet strength of the mountains kept us going.
ये देखो ये मेरा भी लेकिन बड़ा ही लगेगा।
We spent some time in silence near the lake and soaked in the divine energy. We then descended back to Rolakoli by evening, tired but thrilled. Best time to visit this place is mid-May to October. In June, you might still see snow near the lake, and in July, August, the meadows bloom with wildflowers. Brigu Lake Trek is perfect for beginners with moderate fitness. It's short yet rewarding, offering alpine beauty, mythology, and peace away from city chaos. Whether you are a nature lover, photographer, or spiritual seeker, this trek has something magical for everyone. One must carry trekking shoes with good grip, thermal wear, down jacket, windproof layers, gloves, woolen cap, shades, reusable water bottle, dry snacks, sunscreen lotion, basic first aid, and some chocolates. This will help you to stay warm. After a tedious day, we got some time to enjoy our snacks in nature's lap. With every bite under the open sky, the silence, scenery, and snacks made the perfect trio.
ये नज़ारा और कहाँ मिलेगा?
दो दिन के बाद सब खत्म।
नेपाल
हाँ।
Day 4 and the final day, our trek came to an end. After a warm breakfast at camp, we trekked back to Gulaba and drove down to Manali. A hot shower and a hearty meal in Old Manali felt like pure luxury after 3 days in the wild. So guys, this is the end of our blog. Let me know if you have trekked here or are planning to. Drop your questions or experiences in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.